Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about lazy annotation in Spring Framework. Lazy in Spring can be used with configuration. The bean which has been declared with lazy annotation will not be initialized by Spring container. I want to repeat, it will be like on demand. Whenever it's required, lazy beans will be created. Let me show you a code, a configuration file code. So here I have a Java configuration file which is equivalent to the Spring Framework XML file, configuration XML file. So here I am giving the bean that has to be created by the Spring container. So I have class A and class B. There are two beans that I need to create, and I have a constructor with simple print statement so that you can see when exactly the class A and class B is getting created. There is a difference between when these two classes are getting created. Class B will be created when you create the context. So when you load this class B bean will be created. Class B bean will be created, whereas class A will be ignored when I create the context, because for class A I have marked it as lazy, and lazy is from Spring Framework. Lazy means whenever someone tries to access this bean, then create it, otherwise don't create. Okay, so during context creation, class A will not be initialized, only class B will be initialized, whereas when I try to call the Spring container to give me this bean, then at that point Spring container will create the class A. Let me run this program so that you can understand. So I'm going to create the context, so immediately class B will be created because it was not marked with lazy. So class B is getting created, whereas class A will not, has been ignored. If you see here, only class B bean has been created, class A has been ignored because of this annotation. Okay, so you can ask me when then class A will be initialized. Whenever you ask the Spring container, when you access it, then at that point Spring container will create. Now only see, can you see that now only class A is getting created. So this is the difference between lazy tagged bean and the normal bean. So on demand only this bean will be created. It will be an advantage. Say for example you have hundreds of beans in your application, all the 100 beans are not required when you create the context. So on demand you can create some 20 beans. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best. If you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you.